This is 55 TV, we're with Holly Fulton. What an incredible show. I must say, we've followed you the last 4 seasons and your stuff is incredible. It is so definite. How was this show for you?
Good, hopefully. Still kind of reeling from it, but yeah, very pleased with the kind of end result. We sort of wanted to really push ourselves in terms of the silhouettes and the fabrications that we're working with this time, and we used sort of really new techniques for us and hopefully exploited them to the full. But yeah, very pleased with the end result.
The first items came out, the blue with the print on, absolutely superb. It was so shockingly great. Talking about the print design.
They're actually all denim. They're applique denim, so we had a kind of mixture of print and hand-cut appliques within that, and it's that sort of interplay of embellishment techniques with print that I really love, so almost creating quite trompe-l'oeil sort of 3D surfaces and getting real depth onto the surface of garments is what excites me as a designer, so that was the kind of starting point for that, and using the traditional idea of denim from the 70s, because it was 70s based collection, and really referencing that sort of idea of, initially started with flares but spread into all kind of aspects, and the sort of idea of a beloved denim jacket and how you might customise that yourself, and the slightly naive quality that it would have if a teenager stitched it themselves, for example, and sort of representing that slightly but in a more high-end fashion than the pieces we were creating.
Absolutely beautiful. Your range is just like, it's getting better and bigger at the same time. It's just incredible. What's next for you?
We've got a lot of collaborations coming out at the end of this year that we're really excited about, and quite a few sort of international trips, so going to Singapore, Brazil, and just kind of testing the water with the markets over there to see what the reaction's like. But yeah, hopefully just sort of continue to grow steadily over the next year and continue to be able to show in London, which I love.
How does it feel to be one of the top designers in London? I mean, it's very hard to get to this position, but you really are. You're one of the top designers at the moment. How does it feel for you?
I mean, I feel incredibly lucky. I've had a huge amount of support to sort of get to this stage, and I came through Fashion East, through New Gen. I'm still fashion forward, so
we remember this. We've seen you grow, and it's really great to see homegrown talent come through.
No, it's without the sort of support that you get from those kind of initiatives and British Fashion Council, it really helps you sort of take something. You can be creative, but it's very difficult to sort of measure that with the business as well. So they help you get the best of both worlds and create into something that's viable to help you realise your creative vision long term.
Great. Absolutely amazing. We're going to catch you at you next season. Good luck. Have a rest now, and we'll catch you soon. This is 55 TV.